Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to guide you through the process of installing the MySQLDB library in Python. MySQLDB is a Python interface to MySQL, and it allows Python programs to connect to and interact with MySQL databases. Step 1. Install MySQL database server. If you haven't installed MySQL on your system, you'll need to do that first. You can download MySQL from the official website, MySQL Downloads. Step 2. Install MySQL Connector/C. MySQLDB is a Python interface to MySQL that relies on MySQL Connector/C. You can download and install MySQL Connector/C from the official website, MySQL Connector/C Downloads. Step 3. Install MySQLDB using pip. Once MySQL Connector/C is installed, you can install MySQLDB using the pip package manager. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. If you are using Python 3, you may need to use the following command instead. Step 4. Verify installation. To verify that MySQLDB is installed successfully, you can create a simple Python script to connect to a MySQL database. Here's an example. Make sure to replace your _host, your _user, your _password, your _database, and your _table with your actual MySQL database details. Save the script and run it. If there are no errors, and you see the results of your query, then MySQLDB is successfully installed and working. That's it. You've successfully installed MySQLDB in Python and connected to a MySQL database. If you encounter any issues, double-check your MySQL server and Connector/C installations, and make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the database. ChatGPT.